Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the number which you've got currently saved on your contacts, and after that I'll show you how to enter the blacklist and add the contact there. So let's open your contact list, for example, with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. I'll pick this one and then tap on more, so 3 dots icon in the right lower corner. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on block contact, and as you can see here we've got the information, which means that from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, so 3 dots icon and tap on remove from block list. It's in the same position. However, let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist, we have to go to the phone. We can't do it using the contacts. Let's go to phone and then tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's enter blocked, and here we've got call block rules and message block rules. So of course you can set them. So for example, you can block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, private withheld numbers, and the same with message block rules. However, it's totally up to you. To enter the blacklist itself, we have to tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block rules. And as you can see right here, we've got our blacklist. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the Angeline, I believe. So the one from my contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. So here we can tap on this plus number, and here we can add the number manually, block prefix, add from contacts, from call logs, from messages. If you've got a lot of contacts to block, then I highly recommend to do it using this option, because you can simply mark a lot of numbers in a row and then block them with only one click. So here, as I said, we can add it manually, so we do not have to have it saved. Just enter it and confirm it with OK, and again it will immediately appear on the blacklist. As you can see, we've got also the information about the block calls and blocked messages. To unblock the number, just tap on it and hold it, and now you can, for example, mark all of them to block, and then tap on remove. Tap on remove and the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.